Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this local kombucha. This is Wild Brewing and Strawberry Basil. And if you guys take a look here, there's the nutrient panel. Here's the back, if you want to read it. It's got filtered water, cane sugar, and the sugar has to be in there because that's how they make the fermentation happen. So, and strawberry basil on the bottom there. So let's do a quick taste of this. It has good flavor. It has that subtle flavor of strawberry and basil. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.